Reddit posts are being referenced less frequently in ChatGPT, and that data point sent the stock price down almost 12% today in regular trading hours. Investors are asking me, what do I think about Reddit right now following these developments? Of course, I'm disappointed because I've had Reddit stock as a buy all year long, but even after this 12% decline, the shares are up almost 24% year to date in 2025. So it's still performing relatively well. Let's take a look at the details and let me update my rating on Reddit stock.
I want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
So here's the news that sent the stock price down roughly 12% on Wednesday. New data showed that the use of its content in the leading AI chatbot ChatGPT plummeted in mid-September. Reddit content was cited in just 2% of ChatGPT responses, much lower than the 9.7% of responses that Reddit cited the previous month, according to data from AI search engine tracker PromptWatch. At its peak, Reddit was cited in more than 14% of ChatGPT answers. Still, Reddit is the top social platform cited by the chatbot, with its content surfacing in 4.3% of responses. And the reason why this is important is because Reddit gets paid to license its content to AI chatbots like ChatGPT. It's announced new dynamic pricing models that allows its searches to be able to be sold for higher prices if it's sought after more frequently. It's still in the lead as the most frequently cited social media platform. Second place is LinkedIn, and it's far behind. As I mentioned, I've had Reddit stock rated as a buy all year long, and after today's developments, I updated my intrinsic value calculation, and the intrinsic value per share I calculated at $222. The current market price is $202. After applying a margin of safety, Reddit stock looks fairly valued according to my discounted cash flow valuation. Reddit is one of the fastest growing social media stocks of fastest growing social media companies, and it's growing monthly active users from the most attractive region for social media companies, and that's the United States and Canada. Folks in the United States and Canada have stronger or more larger purchasing power, and so marketers are willing to pay more to influence the decisions of folks in the United States and Canada. Reddit, on a percentage basis, is growing the fastest in that region. Snap is one of the worst. It's actually declining in the United States and Canada. Not by much. It lost about 1 or 2 million monthly active users, but that's a big deal because investors, of course, if you're declining, investors forecast that your declines will continue. So Snap's trend line is not looking good in that regard, and Reddit is looking the best out of all the social media companies in terms of percentage increases in social media accounts in the United States and Canada. So while this news was not good news for Reddit stock investors, I don't believe it justifies a 12% decline. But I understand because this is a volatile stock. It's an early stage growing company. And so when you're in an early stage growing company, small changes in your trajectory makes a big difference in your valuation. Still, I like this company's long-term prospects. It's an above-average risk stock. It shouldn't be considered for risk-averse investors, but at its current market prices, I still think this stock is a buy.
Hey everyone, so many of you have been asking about my investing strategy, and I'm excited to announce that I've written a book that's available for sale now that describes my 6-step investing framework for evaluating stocks. I've added the link in the description below.